Good morning. Saturday, October 14th. We are hunting behind Brantley's. This is what Stan and I have. We're hunting the whole thing today. We ain't done that since last year. Got enough people today, but going after a big doe today. Well, of course I kill a buck if he come out too, but want a big doe, big doe pot. But this is what I got. Got quite a few cameras out today. I think everybody's got a camera. But we'll turn you back on in a minute.
Alright guys, we're out here, October 14th. Trying to get on some deer. Running dogs another weekend. First drive of the day. We're gonna see what happens. Got a slight little drizzle going on right now. So hopefully that'll get the deer up and moving or get the dogs on them, or we'll see what happens. You guys stay tuned. We'll get the cameras rolling and hopefully we'll have a good day of hunting. Finishing the shot.
Oh, boys, you ready? All right, you two. Good morning. Saturday morning. Doing it again.
Well.
Maybelline. Come on, girl. Come on, Mabel. Get him up, Mabel. Get him up, Mabel. Whoop. Shit. Come here, Chloe, here. Yay, yay, there you go, there you go. Yeah. Woo, 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 woo. Yay, yay, yay. Woo, woo. Yay! Yay!
Alright, we're on our second out this morning. We'll hunt what we call the Old Bay. This is what we're looking like. Over through here, down through here. I think the only thing done last hunt was Ben missed a deer and Brock killed a coyote. Let's see if that's on camera, but we'll have to see what happens.
Come on, here. Come on. Hush. 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 Woo! Come on, here. Come on. Find him, girls. Huh? Find him. Find him. Whoop.
Alright guys, just had lunch. We're out here for hunt number 3. I got 5. Walked in a little bit until it opened up. We'll see what's going on. I've had some luck here previous years. I mean, I don't know if I've killed one here, but I've seen a good amount of deer here. So let's see what happens. Hopefully we can get some on camera. Still no does killed. Hopefully somebody will change that. So I'll see you guys later.
Alright, we're on a 3rd hunt. We're hunting what we call head of the creek. This is what it looks like in here. I traded with Billy. I think he got the better end. The mosquitoes in here are terrible. But I'll get you turned on as soon as the dogs get turned out.
Whoop! Whoop! Hey, boy. Come on, girl. One more again. Come on, girl. Whoop. Whoop. Hey, come! Hey, come! Yay! Yay! Huh? Really? That ain't him? That's a different deer. He just jumped up right there.
Alright, hunt number 4. Last time I saw a little deer. I think it was a little yearling doe or something like that. But we'll see what happens this hunt. Nice buck was killed last hunt, so that's good. First kill of the day. So hopefully we can carry that on the next hunt and we can have something going. Alright guys, see y'all later.
Yeah. Well. Get back, get back, get back. Get back. Come back.
Come on, girl. All right, I'll be back in a little bit. Won't be long, because I'm tired and I'm old. Do what? I wouldn't. I probably walk. I probably wouldn't. Just, hey, Pop. Get him, Chloe. Huh? What now? Them little short legs. Woo! Hey. Woo! Hey! Get him, Lily! Get him, Lily! Yay! Yay! Get him, Lily! Yay!
There we go.